What's up, guys? So I really want these things to work, but the other three didn't work. They just peeled right off after just a little while of skating. So what I normally do is just put a little bit of super glue around holes in my shoe when it starts to wear through like this, but with this one I am actually going to try this and see if it holds up. So let's stick it on there today. I'm not even skating, I'm just taking photos, so we'll just leave this on here all day and let it get set in, and then I will skate it in a day or two and see what that does. So the best thing about trick tape is it can fix a hole in your shoe immediately. With shoe glue or super glue, you're gonna have to wait for it to dry. They can do a good job at fixing your shoe, but if you need to fix it immediately and skate that day in that pair of shoes, then you'll want to keep some of this trick tape with you. You never know when you're going to get a hole in your shoe. It could wear out faster than you thought it would, so it's nice to have some of this on hand. It's really good for the short term, but it's not as good for the long term, because over time when you're skating it, it does start to peel off and you're going to have to just glue it back down. But the flick is better with the trick tape than it is with shoe glue. You know, you don't have to get used to a different kind of flick because it's still suede. It still has the same type of grip and flick. So overall, I really like the trick tape. It's cheap and it's something that's nice to have with you if you are skating a lot and you do a lot of flip tricks. So I went to Lawrenceburg to test this stuff out. I'm also testing out the RX 100 Mark V from Sony. It's an older, small point-and-shoot camera. Basically, this entire video, all the audio, all the video is straight out of this camera. I don't have any type of external audio like a microphone or anything like that. Everything is just straight out of the RX 100 Mark V. So if you like that, it's a pretty nice little cheap pocket camera. it held up pretty good. I did a bunch of kick flips. That tray flip you guys saw, I didn't film everything because I was just having fun skating. But yeah, it held up really well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.